Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to review the LEGO City Police Patrol Boat. Is recommended for ages 5 to 12. It's set number 60129 and it has 200 pieces exactly. And it originally cost $50 when it came out. And these boats can float. First up, we have the two police officers. There's the back. And they come with life jackets, so... Okay, I'm unable to get off so I can show you the printing. Okay, hang on. Come on. Okay, there's one on there. On one of them. Okay. Oh my god. And here's the other one. I think it's kind of similar to, which is this one. And here's the two criminals. Here's the back. Good detailing on all over these frames. There's cool printing on these uniforms. Yeah. They're really good. And so here's the criminal's boat. So here comes a play feature. When you pull that and pull. Oh, hang on. Okay. Try to do that. See? That's a play feature. And here's the driver's seat, and there's the motor. And right here is a bag full of money. There are $100 bills. Standard. And here's the light that spins around at 360. And a life preserver ring. And in here is a jail cell where this prisoner could fit in, but somehow he cannot stand up or sit up because he cannot fit it. It does not fit. He's like, "Why you make me sleep? I'm not even tired. Get me out of here." And here's the sirens on them. Police. And this is where the captain controls the boat. There's a speaker, I think that might be. And right here is a flashlight, pair of handcuffs, a pair of binoculars, walkie-talkie, and a scanning thing. I don't know what you call it. And a standard issue LEGO City coffee mug. And here's the ladder so that the pilot can, the captain can drive the boat. And like I said, these boats do float. That might take I don't want to show you it because that'll take too long. But I think I'll do a video of a test for this. Make a video of these boats floating. So, oh yeah, and these boats have stickers on them. This one has stitches on it. This one has police logos. Police stickers with the number 2 on there. So I think that's it for the set. See you later, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.